Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Nuclear Science Education Pathankot, and let's derive the formula for moment of inertia in case of hollow sphere. So first we will find the moment of inertia for this small strip, and then we will integrate from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So first of all, formula for moment of inertia of a ring is mr square. For such small strip, it is like a ring. So we are using the same formula, and the mass will be dm and radius. What about radius? Radius is not r is the radius of sphere. The radius of this strip is r cos theta, and the mass for this ring is not capital M, it is dm. When the area is 4 pi r square, the mass for whole sphere is capital M. When area is 1, the mass is capital M by 4r square. Area can simply be written as circumference into thickness, and circumference of this ring is not 2 pi r, it is 2 pi r cos theta, and thickness is r d theta. So this is how you will calculate the mass dm. And now we will place this value in our formula, and then we will integrate. After placing the value, you will get the equation like this: m by 2 r square cos cube theta. Now m is constant, capital R is constant, 2 is constant, and this can be taken out from the integration. And now you will have to integrate cos cube theta. Now to integrate cos cube theta, we will use substitution method. You should be familiar with the substitution method to integrate cos cube theta. For integration, split cos cube theta into two parts, cos square into cos theta, and again split cos square theta into 1 minus sin square theta cos theta d theta. Now put sin theta equal to t, so that you can get a differentiation cos theta d theta, which can be replaced with the dt. But we have to change limits also. When angle is 90 degree, sin 90 is 1. When angle is minus 90 degree, sin minus 90 is minus 1. If you fill limits, you will get the answer 4 by 3. And now place this value in the main formula. You will get the answer for moment of inertia, that is 2 by 3 mr square.